Hi, welcome back to Everyday Gourmet Meal Enhancements Made Simple. I'm Don Reed, owner of Strawberry Tree Farm Sales, with another cooking tip to either save you time, avoid frustration, or bring out your natural creativity. Your family is going to smile and say, "Oh yes, that is so good. Let's do it." In today's segment, we're going to recreate some smells and tastes of Italy with one of our most popular stews, Mama's Pasta Fazool. The ingredients, all you need are 6.5 cups of water, which we have here, our mix, 16-ounce can of tomato sauce, and you'll see online there are options. Today the option we're going to choose is pre-cooked sausage with sun-dried tomato and basil. So the first thing we're going to do is add the water and then bring the water to a boil. That's what we add the soup mix to. The water is boiling. First thing we're going to do is empty the mix into it, and you can start to smell it as soon as it hits that boiling water, because in addition to the dehydrated semolina and kidney beans, it has garlic, onion, basil, parsley, and oregano. So now we've put that in. We're going next to put in our tomato paste. 16-ounce can. Add the sausage. It's ready. We're going to reduce the heat, cook it to a low boil for 25 minutes. It's been cooking now for 25 minutes. It's ready. You can see it looks absolutely delicious, and I can tell you that it smells every bit as delicious as it looks. Let's put some of this great stuff in a bowl. Put a little bit in there, like so, and we will put 1 tablespoon of Parmesan on this, and we are ready to go.